Do you know many people are having trouble with charging their Sony WH-CH720N headset properly? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect to power. Connect your headset to an AC outlet using the supplied USB Type-C cable and a USB-AC adapter. Step 2. Check indicator. Observe the orange indicator light, which confirms charging has started. Step 3. Charge fully. Let the headset charge for about 3.5 hours until the orange light switches off. Step 4. Disconnect cable. Safely disconnect the USB Type-C cable once charging is complete. Step 5. Note auto off. Remember, the headset will automatically turn off when charging begins if it was previously on. Step 6. Maintain temperature. Ensure charging occurs in a comfortable room temperature range, ideally between 15°C and 35°C. Now you should be able to charge your Sony WH-CH720N headset with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Sony users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.